You know what? I've never been this pleased, this excited about anything that I purchased online when it comes to training or professional development than I am with this product right here that you see. Now, the reason that I'm doing this video is because I truly believe that this product called CreatorU is something that every business could benefit from having. What is it? Well, I'm going to show you. And I purchased this when it launched 2 days ago, and I've been consuming the content that's in here. It is fantastic. Let me give you a backstory. This was created by the founders of a company called SamCart. Now, SamCart is an online tool for you to build single-page landing pages, checkouts, also have online courses and things. And I'm actually going to be developing my community and my product offering in SamCart. I'll just be doing it. I'm doing some work on the background of it right now and developing all the content, and then I'll be putting it in there. But that's a whole other story for a different project. So anyway, they released this because when they were starting their business, they found it difficult to find credible training online. There was a lot of people that said that they could, or that they were an expert in this field. And a lot of times what you saw online wasn't exactly that. It was people that were lying, false representation. They were photoshopping results that they had, showing, a lot of times you see people that are like, here, look at this ad account, look what I did. A lot of that's photoshopped. Now, there are people that actually can do that, but you don't know who that is. So that was their struggle they had. They then have created SamCart. They've been around for several years, and they have the data of people that are actually, making the sales and building that revenue and everything, and being really good at their area of expertise, whether it be Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or whatever that is. People do double down and focus on that. So they reached out to their client base who was actually just crushing it in those areas and said, hey, we want to do this project. And we would love it if you would be willing to be part of it and just share what you've learned to help people. And they had this amazing response of people that said, yes, I want to be part of it. Hence, that's what this is. This is an online course training library that you can get. Now, they just launched on the 6th of April, and for a week, they're offering it at 50% off. And that's why I'm doing this video today, because I don't want you to miss out. And again, have to pay full price. And we'll get to how much that costs. Trust me, it is not a lot. I mean, it almost is a no-brainer type of purchase. So let's take a look at this. I am logged into my account, as you can see here in the top right. This is my account. I did purchase this, and we're going to go through. So as we go through and we look up, there's different areas in here. There's scaling up. So the ultimate upsell, how to scale. These are not all the creators of the company. Some of them are people from SamCart, but some are from the outside. The Test Tactics Masterclass, Instagram Insider. I did that one this morning. Leveraging your content. You've got, the perfect messenger script, the one-page launch, the ROAS intensive, right? And there's more in here. Black Friday, winning mindsets, messenger blueprint. We've got the Going Pro starter kit, mini offers, 4 steps to launching, 0 to selling training webinars. Then we got 5-minute VSL, video sales letter, 1-page blueprint, 5-minute video sales letter, 1-page masterclass. Product curation. There's a whole bunch of stuff that's in here that you could benefit if you are in the space of creating content. Facebook Ads Academy, as you see here on the screen. Now, how much does this actually cost? Well, the regular price for this, what they're going to be selling it for, is $120 a year. Yes, a year. But you can get that for 50% off. It's actually $59 is what they're selling it for. So I'm going to include the link with this video. I'll be transparent. I signed up as an affiliate with these guys because I believe in what they're doing. So the link that you're going to click on is my affiliate link for that. So if you find value in this, please, I want to hear about it. Show me the love, buy it through my link and share it out. But I guarantee for $59, it does renew yearly, so they'll always be adding content to it. So next year at the anniversary date, it'll be $120. But I mean, that's nothing, right? That's $10 a month. It's crazy. So check it out. It's called CreatorU. it is blowing up. It is amazing. And again, I'm passionate because of the content. I'm excited to go through and consume every bit of content in here to not only help my business, but also take that knowledge and transfer it over to other clients that are there. And one little thing that I'm, kind of went off in my mind this morning is there's no point in me trying to recreate this kind of stuff. This is amazing stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate this in my product offering, in my coaching, in my mentorship with other clients. I'm going to highly recommend that all clients that are working with me have this in their back pocket, in their toolkit. So again, check it out. Visit the link below this video, accompanying this video, wherever you're seeing this, there will be a link where you can click and get your hands on this. So thanks for watching. And yeah, love to hear what you think about CreatorU.